Hey Ross, sauce it up.
Pull up in the
painted with some decals. I ain't never stop, can't be trusting any females. Got a shorty blog, had her texting through the email. Walking right on top, I won't fall, that's the detail. You can call me or send a text, love. Going solo, but I wish you all the best love. Now the heat is perfect time and place is best up. I've been riding in my diamond, that's my Tesla. Yeah, hit it lit, nigga. I came back now, getting all this guap, I don't think I better pass now. Paper so long, I might fuck around and cash out. Everyone on my side, now I got it back and I tell her say goodbye. Yeah, I'm in my zone, yeah, they asking how I do this. Right up in a whip, yeah, I hit it, now I'm moving. Speaking my own language, yeah, the fans of me are fluent. Gotta pay my dues and respect to the truest. Restless, checklist, got it done on reckless. People talk about me, but they would've never test this. Hella face shawties, yeah, they wonder why we exist. Pulling on my strings, yeah, they wonder why I left this. Yeah, the bands turn me on. Got bands for my friends, no more bands for my life. Pull up in a drop, yeah, good up in the sun. Yeah, you fake a lot, yeah, baby, we are done. I just wanna go fly, oh. Why you always spreading lies, no? Yeah, you have me hypnotized, oh. I will give another try.
Sa simple na pasulyap-sulyap, nagpapapansin sa'yo. Umabot sa palitan ng mga mensahe, kilig na kilig ako. Kumusta, kain na, hello, magandang umaga. Ingat ka, pahinga, huwag kang masyadong magpupuyat pa. Naramdaman ng puso na dahan-dahan akong nahuhulog sa'yo. Sa kada araw natin na pag-uusap, meron nang namumuo. Ngunit di ko na alam kung anong patutunguhan. Ang hiling ko lang naman na itong naramdaman. Sana naman ay mapagbigyan na at nang mapakinggan ang tibok ng puso kong sa'yo lang naramdaman ng tunay na kaligayahan. Sana naman mapagbigyan ang tibok ng puso. Ngunit biglang katahimikan, wala namang matandaan na nasabi baka sakaling ika'y aking nasaktan. Bigla na lamang ika'y di nagparamdam. Ako ba'y pinagsawaan o may ginagawa?